Hi, my name is Areku and welcome to another tutorial video of me teaching you how to set up stuff. So, here's the dealio. You want to collab, you're a VTuber, right? A streamer or something like that. And you want to set up like a collab, right? I'm sure you do. Well, it's either using like a mirror, a share screen on Discord, or you can share screen on a different site called VDO.ninja. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like, okay? VDO.ninja, there we go. This is another website that you can like share your window to your friend or collaboration partner, whoever that is. If you're like, I want to share my studio, my PR live, you know, a PR and VTube studio, just click this, share your camera, and then access your camera. No, not really. Don't share your camera. Access your Streamlabs studio cam, a VTube studio cam. There we go, and then start streaming that baby. Or you can also mute audio because you don't want like the person to hear you. double mic, because you're just calling on Discord now. Now start, and there we go. And what you're gonna do now is, wait a minute, where's the code? Where's the freaking code? Where's the code at? Oh no. I guess I need to do it again. Okay, drop it. You gave me the freaking high five. I mean bye. Let's do it again. And this time we're gonna click the VTube Studio Cam and then until it appears, okay? Speakers, yeah. What the fuck? Where is it? Yo. What? I'm gonna refresh. Select an option to join, yeah. Let's see. VTube cam, mute, start. What? Oh. Okay, where's the freaking code? Where's the code at? Yo. Oh god. Is it because of the no mic thing? Let me try again. This time to make sure. Maybe I'm just crazy. Okay, let's do it again. I know it's an epic fail, but failure is subjective. It can happen anyway. I'm pretty scuffed. Hi. Okay, again. Oh, that's a Streamlabs VTube Studio Cam. There we go. Mute that. Sable video. No. Why are you waiting camera, bro? I'm video there. F. This is the moment when it like gone scuff with this one. Let's do it again. Never stop. Really? It stopped. I hate this. Wow, it's not working anymore. I hate it. We're return. I'm pretty sure you guys gonna run into troubles like this, so let's see what happens if we like open it again. Okay, where are you? Create a room, no. Add your camera to OBS, yes. Well, it's not working. What we're gonna do now is close freaking Opera and open it again. That's the only way to fix it. Yeah, you can skip ahead to the good parts, okay? I'm sorry. I don't have like... I didn't... I'm sorry I didn't like cut this video in half, but please enjoy my commentary of just me struggling with life. There we go. We're back at it again. We're back at it again with another one. Add your camera to OBS. Wow, we all just need to do that. Vtube Studio Cam. There we go. And then add. Oh, there we go. Copy that damn thing. Copy that code. We did it successfully. So what we're gonna do now is go to your OBS, make a new browser source. If you can't see it, then I will go up, move up a bit, make a new, click the plus. It goes the same with Streamlabs if you're using Streamlabs browser. Collab partner 1. There we go, and then paste the link that you got. Paste that, copy paste, there we go. Oh, it's double link. Copy paste, and then okay. And what's it gonna do now is that you got access to that person's like camera. And yeah, you can. I forgot to mute yourself. Okay, there we go. So they can't hear it because you're already talking to that person through Discord. If you want, you can use this to like do collabs instead. Yeah, you can use this VDO.ninja to collab instead with him. And about the quality, it's because of my freaking computer. This thing takes up like your computer processor. If you got a BP computer, then that's good. You're great, you're amazing. You got a BP computer. Nice. So what we're gonna do now is that your collabing partner is over here. Right click, and then God, you can't see it. I hate it, man. Oh, okay. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna show you that my full display. Okay, full display. Okay, you can stay here for a bit. Okay, stay here for a bit. Oh god, stay down here, I guess. Okay, here's the full of it. Okay, click the one that you made. There we go. This one, right? Right click it. Filter. So what we're gonna do here? Damn, look at that lag, man. Processor dying on me. Click plus. We do need to do the cropping. Okay, cropping. If you're gonna collab with someone, you're just gonna say, hey, well, let's prep up the left side. We need to like crop the left side. Okay, at 150. Okay, it's like 200. No, 220. No, 220. 1. It goes the same with the right too, right? Trying to win 1. There we go. And then what we're gonna do next is chroma key because of the green screen on the back. Click, and there we go. You don't need to do anything. If it's different color like blue or something like that, magenta, then pick that. And what will happen? There we go. You got your collabing partner here, moving, not a PNG. Since my version sucks, I mean, my internet sucks, my computer sucks, still I'm grateful. Hopefully you guys like this kind of tutorial. But yeah, there we go. Even though like I'm just collabing myself, then it's still laggy. Look at that. My internet's so slow. You can actually see how fast. There we go, 2 Mbps. One person's like using that PNG right now, this code. Yeah, don't forget to mute. Yeah, that's it. Look, whoa, crazy, right? Crazy. Hi, my name is Areku, and this is Areku. Welcome to our collab. Yes, today we're going to play. Plus, also Discord works too if you want to use Discord, but I'm not sure if this is much better. But yeah, I just want to share this with you guys. So please go ahead. And if you want, you can also do the share screen with others, kind of like on Discord. But yeah, that concludes with our tutorial today. Hopefully this is helpful for you. Hopefully this is helpful for you. I got a twin now. Yeah, hi, name's Areku and this is Reku. Reku. Yeah, I'm much taller than this man. Yeah, so don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on Twitter and and follow me on Twitch if possible. If you're like a Twitch person kind of guy, please go ahead. So yeah, thank you. We're almost to 1K, so let's go. I would really be happy. But yeah, bye bye everyone and have a nice day. Thank you for watching my tutorial video. Bye.